Okay, I'm gonna try to get a video of this paper wasp nest I took out of the bird's feeder. There's live larvae in there moving around. I don't know if you can see it. Oh mercy. Danny's getting ready to weed eat, which I'm going to today too. But right when I start the video, of course. Today's July 25th. It's a Friday, 2014. I'm going to try to put this in a different mode. I'll zoom in on it. Try to hold it close, steady. That ain't working. Try macro. You see them in there moving? Just a paper wasp. Actually, the day that I refilled that bird feeder for the first time, this was stuck on the side of the wall where I'm holding it with the needle nose pliers, just by a thread. Pretty strong. And I've left it in there with the bird food, but I pulled it out when I refilled it just now. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 babies in there moving around, and then you can see like the 4 top ones are capped off, and there's like crystals on the other ones. It must be eggs. I'm trying to get sunlight in there so you can see them moving around. Hopefully the mama don't come back looking for her babies. Oh, this one over here on the left, I gotta get you to see it. Try to move it around. Now I gotta reposition everything. With the light. Get better light. Nope, camera messed up. Too much light. I'll be back.